Today I'm going to show you how to get amazing prompts for Midjourney every single time. So if you fiddled around with Midjourney, you may notice that sometimes the things that you get are not how you want them to look. Sometimes they're trash. And other times you might have like a really specific vision in mind that you want to achieve, but you don't know how to achieve it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. What you want to do, go onto the internet and you want to go to a website called PromptBase. Now this is a game changer. So there's a few things you can do. If you want to, you can just go click find a prompt. And now on the left, you need to select Midjourney because that's the model we're using. Now on the category, it gives you tons of categories: 3D, accessory, animal, anime, jewelry. It has tons of them. So let's say that we are trying to make a jewelry brand and want to get some jewelry. So here you can see it gives you tons and tons of different jewelry prompts that we can use. So find ones that we like. Let's say that we really like this here. It's pretty cool. What you would do is you would click get prompt and it would take you through to a Stripe payment processor where you can pay for the prompt. Now, once you've paid for it, it's going to put you onto, it's going to give you the prompt. So this is one I've purchased before for a different project. It's going to give you the prompt here. So enter this into Midjourney, replace any variables in the square brackets. Now I believe this prompt is now banned for possibly obvious reasons, but do /imagine and put the prompt in there. Now you can see these square brackets. What you want to do here, it will tell you how to use it. So bracket, you can write, the first bracket you can write long light hair. So this is the type of hair it is. So you could type blonde, blue short hair. Now 2 bracket is white swimsuit. So this is, you put the outfit they're wearing. So you could put a dress, a red dress, for example. And then last is the emotion. So you can say happy, sad, whatever. Your prompt will be very different to this because if you pick jewelry, it's going to have some jewelry specific prompts. It might say material, color, but it will give you the instructions of how to use it. So then you can change this in here. And then once you press enter, it's going to make that for you. Now I believe this prompt is probably banned, possibly. Maybe not. I think it's going to work. But basically, this is how you can get amazing prompts every time. If I go back onto here, and you can type in a prompt, say website design. If I go to Midjourney, this is going to give me tons of these different website designs. For example, these mock-ups here, these are amazing, and if you were a web designer, you could use these. So this is a really good way to get amazing prompts, and you can see this one worked well, and it worked exactly like the prompt said. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.